Now as you sit on your heels, sit on the mat. Straighten your leg here in front of you on your sitting bones. Now bring your right or your left foot on the outside of your left hip, rolling your calf muscles out, and bring your right foot resting on your left inner thigh, right on top of your inner thigh. So your left foot is in line with your hip and your right foot is resting on your left inner thigh. Now from here, keep your spine straight, hands to the side. Bring your left hand onto your right knee. Bring your right hand to the back. Grab your big toe here if you can. Otherwise, have it resting on your lower back. And twist from your waist, turn, exhaling out, looking to the back. Stay here for a few breaths. 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, release your hands back to the center. Release your right foot, straighten your leg. Straighten your left leg. Now we'll switch to the other side. So you're going to bring your right foot resting on the outside, just next to your right hip. And from here, you're going to bring your left foot resting on your right inner thigh. Okay, so your knees are in line with each other. Use your right hand, twisting here, keeping your spine straight, resting your right hand on your left knee. Bring your left hand to the back. Grab your right big toe here. Keep opening your chest, twist and turn, looking to the back. Keep your spine straight. And stay here. Three, 2, 1. Slowly release back to the center. Release your left foot, straighten your left leg, straighten your right leg, shake it off here. And then from here, sit in a comfortable position. Again, lengthening your back on your sitting bones. You can use a block beneath or a blanket to elevate your back, to support your back. And from here, inhale, bringing your hands over your head. With an exhalation, bring your left elbow down to your left side. Fingers pointing towards the side. Right hand over your head, look towards your right. Make sure your sitting bone remains on the mat. Keep pushing it down. Stay here. Just breathing in and out. For 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, lift yourself up. And we'll switch to the other side. Bring your right elbow down. Make sure your left sitting bone remains on the ground. Left hand over your head. Opening your chest here so you're not sinking in, but you're opening it up. Look towards your left. Keep your left hand straight. Feel the stretch on the side. And just stay here, breathing in and out. For 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come back up. Interlock your hands here, palms facing the ceiling. Keep your neck and shoulder relaxed. Take a deep breath in, inhale. And exhale, twisting from your waist to the right. Keep looking to the right, opening your chest at the same time. Breathing in and out here. Inhale back to the center. And exhale, twisting to the left from your waist. So you're twisting from your waist, you're moving from your waist, your shoulder remains where it is. Keep looking towards your left, to the side. Slowly inhale back to the center. Now as you release your hands here, bring your left hand onto your right knee. Right hand to the back. Again, you're twisting, looking to the back. Keep your spine straight so you're not leaning to the back or the front, keeping it straight, twisting from your spine and opening your chest. So keep pulling your right shoulder to the center of the back. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your hands back up. And exhale, switch to the other side. Exhale, bring your right hand onto your left knee. Left hand to the back. Open your chest. Keep pulling your left shoulder to the back. Look towards the back here, keeping your spine straight. Inhale back to the center. And exhale, release. Now from here, you will straighten your leg. Again, you're going to balance on your sitting bone, keeping your spine straight. Now bend your right knee here, bringing your right foot on the outside of your left knee. Right hand on the mat to the side. Inhale, lifting your left hand up, using your left elbow to push your right knee further in as you twist and turn to the back. Bring your right hand to the back, keeping your spine straight so you're not leaning back, not too much to the front, keeping it straight. Now if you can use your left hand to grab your right ankle, good. Otherwise you can just have your left elbow pushing your right knee in as you continue looking to the back. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. Just breathing in and out. Make sure your left toe is flexed, toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Three, 2, 1. Now slowly turn back to the front, release your left hand. Right hand to the side, release your left leg, straighten it. We'll switch to the other side. Bend your left knee, bring your left foot on the outside of your right knee. Left hand to the side, lengthen your back. Inhale, lift your right hand up. Use your right elbow, pushing your left knee in as you twist and turn to the back. Bring your left hand to the back. Keep looking to the back as you open your chest. Keep pulling your left shoulder to the back. Your right foot active. You can grab your ankle here, otherwise just keep pushing your knee in. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. Three, 2, 1. Inhale back to the center. Slowly release. Straighten your leg here. Shake it off. Now bend your knees here. You want to bring the sole of your feet together into butterfly pose. You can have your feet close towards your body or further away. Interlock your hands around your toes. Lift your shoulders up in a circle, pulling it back, lifting your chest up. And from here, as you take a deep breath in, exhale, bending your elbows, leaning forward. Staying here for a few moments as you allow yourself to feel the stretch, breathing in and out. So you don't stop breathing, keep breathing. Feel the intensity of the stretch on your inner thighs, your hips. Take a deep breath in again. And exhale, lean forward. Now if you can bring your elbows onto the mat or the ground, good, and just remain here. Otherwise, stay where you are and just feel the intensity of the stretch there as you breathe in and out. You want to make sure that your shoulders are straight and rolled back so you're not sinking in. Your chest is lifted the whole time, looking forward. With every exhalation, allow yourself to go deeper into the pose. And if you can shift your elbows further to the front or walk your fingers forward, even better, to allow you to go deeper into the stretch. Otherwise, stay where you are, breathe in and out right there. Take a full deep breath in. And exhale, go deeper into the pose. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay here, feel the stretch. Try not to hold your breath here. Allow yourself as you exhale to relax. As intense as the stretch may be, if your knees do not touch the ground, that's okay. You can use a blanket or a block underneath to support, or you can even sit on the block to elevate yourself to allow you to go deeper into the posture. You can also use your hands and place it on the inside, just below your knees. Have your palms, your fingers facing outwards and pressing down onto the thighs to allow your knees to go deeper into the ground. Keep lifting your chest, looking forward, and just staying here. Make sure your feet is together so they're not coming apart. Lengthening your back at the same time. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, go deeper into the posture. No need to overstrain yourself, just move as much as you can. With the next inhalation, breathe in, slowly bringing yourself back up. Bring your knees together. Hug your knees here. Easing the tension from the hips in your back. And then now from here, what you want to do is, you want to bring your left foot on the outside of your left hip and your right foot on the outside of your right hip. Come on your knees, roll your calf muscles out and sit on the mat. Now, if you're unable to do this, you can have your feet together and sit on your heels. But if it's easy for you, you can sit on the mat. If you feel too much of a strain on your knees, use a blanket beneath for support. Now from here, lengthen your back. We're slowly gonna move down. So you're gonna come down onto your elbows as you move to the back. You wanna keep pressing your knees down. Slowly dropping your head to the back. Lifting your chest towards the ceiling and just staying here. Now from here, slowly come down if you can, otherwise just stay where you are. Have your hands resting on your thighs as you breathe in and out here. You can bring your hands over your head, just breathing in and out here. Now there's a mild back bend in your lower back here, so your back will arch at the lower back here. You may use a support or a cushion beneath. Just stay here, breathing in and out. As you bring your hands back, you can grab your ankle. Come onto your elbow, lifting yourself up. Drop your head to the back, lifting your chest towards the ground. And slowly bring yourself back up. Sit on your heels. And slowly bring your forehead down to the mat into child pose.